What is input and output? What is input? Information or data value that we provide to the computer. For example, we type on a keyboard, right? And then we are clicking a mouse. All we call as input that we give to the computer. And what is output? The response or result that the computer gives back to us is nothing but the output. For example, no, when you are typing, we are getting something in the output, like terminal in the display. When you type hello world, we are getting the output as hello world, right? When you run it. So these are all output. So some example, input you type on the keyboard. It's nothing but the input that we give to the computer, and output we are getting, right, which is appears on the screen. That is nothing but the output. And so one more example, right? When you tap on a mobile to open an app, that is nothing but a input. And after you tap the app icon, we are getting the app is opening, right? That is nothing but output. So any questions on input and output?